Hi! Welcome back. I'm Sonia and this is Elena.
I'm Big John.
That's right. And today we are bringing you something special because there's not going to be big firework displays outside for July 4th.
We're going to make them in your house.
Yeah!
Explosions. You're either going to have fireworks or your house is going to burn down. No, be careful.
That's right. Be careful. You guys ready? Okay, let's get to it. Okay, we're here with Elena today and she's going to teach us some sign language for July 4th. Okay, Elena, go slow and teach us some new signs. Ready? This is a sign for Corona while we're all inside. Hot dog or hot dog. July 4th. Do it 2 times maybe. 2 times because people got to learn it. 2 times. Do it again. Sorry. Okay, one more time. Go slow. Corona. Okay. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hamburger. Barbecue. One more. BBQ. Barbecue. Ice cream. Fireworks or fireworks. Party. Play. Any more? I think that's good. Okay. Thank you, Elena. Say bye.
Hi, everyone. All right, so we're going to do some fireworks in your kitchen. My mom always told me that not to play with fire and knives, so obviously I picked a profession where I could do both. So this year, unfortunately, we're doing this in our house. Be careful. So the first thing is be careful. So we're going to make bananas Foster. You can, it's very simple. It's butter, brown sugar, some bananas, which we use some from Winco that we're kind of smaller, but you can use any bananas.
Regular bananas, fine.
And then rum, which anybody who knows us knows we don't really drink. But
we do happen to have a big bottle.
We do entertain others very well. So, and then some cinnamon. So we're gonna make some fireworks. So the first thing you do is you take the bananas and you peel them, and then you can do them any way you want, but you just slice them lengthwise. So we're just gonna take them and slice them carefully across the center. We're gonna take a saute pan and we're gonna turn it on. So first things that go in are the butter, which we're just gonna melt. And then once it starts melting, it's probably 2.5 tablespoons of butter. And it's gonna melt a little. So now we have the butter, it's melting down nicely. Just take regular brown sugar. So you're gonna dump some of that in there. It's probably like 4 tablespoons. Everything that you do with dessert to bring out the sweetness, just a tiny pinch of salt goes into it. And really all we're gonna do now, not scratching the pan, is to just let this melt together. So it's okay, it's gonna look a little bit separated, but that's okay. Yeah, it will in the end. So we have it on a high heat now. We're gonna lower it probably to a medium heat for a minute. We're gonna take the bananas that we sliced and we're gonna kind of put them down in there. We don't want to leave them in there very long. So we're gonna, it's not, I don't really like it when it's really mushy.
Yeah,
so,
that's gross.
So you put them in there, and we're gonna leave them still fairly warm, and you do about 30 seconds. And then we're gonna have our assistant here. She's gonna cinnamon us in a minute. So we're gonna take the bananas that are in there, let them cook. Just move them around just a little bit. It's very simple dessert. And we are going to...
This would be fun at night, but the only thing is when you couldn't show us what to do.
Flip them over.
If you had guests over and it was dark.
See, it's okay if it doesn't stick to it. It's just, we're getting them brown. You don't want to burn them.
Smells really good.
Yep.
Okay. I mean, it's sugar.
So the thing you want to have that's nice that is we have some strawberry ice cream we made sometime before. We're gonna go get it.
I'll put it out right here just in case you missed it.
We have it pre-scooped, so we're gonna get it and set it out next to the bananas so when it's done we can put them in there. So
okay.
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna be sure to first turn off the fire You don't want to burn your house down. So first I'm going to turn it off. I have the fire off. There's no fire, see? I'm going to put this bougie in.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then I'm going to turn my fire on.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
All right.
Oh yeah.
You gotta be careful around the microwave.
I've done it before. I'm not surprised.
It's okay. Be careful. Make sure you know you're going to set up a fire alarm or two.
I tilt the camera.
It's okay. That's the rum burning off. Again, be careful what you do at home.
We're not responsible for our kitchen fires.
So, now.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh. Might have to do it again.
It's gonna have to wait. Okay, so
All
it
right.
should have been some sparkles.
So anyway, we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again.
What happened?
The fire scared me.
Okay, we're gonna try again. You ready?
We're doing a little take two because Elena got really scared of the fire and didn't want to do the cinnamon part, so we're gonna have Sonia do that. But although we've never done this in our house before, it seemed apropos of 4th of July. So
I think we've done it when they were little.
we did, but it's not like a normal staple for us.
Yeah, we don't.
You can use banana liqueur, but we didn't have any. It's hard to find. You could
Yeah, we
use,
went to 3 different stores.
You could use banana extract, but really just whiter or dark rum will work, and just the sugar, the brown butter, the bananas that we're just now going to flip over. Then again, we're going to pull from the
Light this baby up.
fire and light this baby up. You could do variations of this with cherries or peaches with peach schnapps. It's very good.
I think I might try peach.
Okay, so first, fire off, everyone. Then we put the rum in. We turn it back on. Go ahead. Then cinnamon down low, hard. That's how you make the fireworks. The cinnamon going in.
Yeah.
That's good. There you go.
Okay.
So be careful. You don't want to splash it on yourself, but that is the Mrs. Foster liquid that will go on the fresh strawberry ice cream. This time, there you go.
Okay.
So we're just going to take some of this caramel and banana. You can leave them whole if you want. But basically, you're going to spoon it over your ice cream. You can use strawberry ice cream that we made, or you can use vanilla ice cream. And that is Mrs. Foster with fireworks.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's normal for us. Go ahead. Go ahead and eat. I'll get the fan. That's normal for us. There you go. That's great.
Oh my god. That's right. Aw, Tony. That's good.
Hey, be safe out there, people.
Yes.
But
no fire alarms.
Yeah, a fire alarm going off when you're searing or grilling, that's okay. You just got to put it out. Just make sure there's not a lot of smoke.
All right.
But have a good and safe, happy 4th of July out there.
All right. And who's here with you?
Tex.
Oh, my little Dia. His little Dia.
And
He's always
Tony.
there. Poor Tony
Yeah.
is scared of a fire alarm. All right, everybody. Have a nice July 4th. Bye.
Bye.